They go now. They go now.
So guys, currently I am inside Asaba, and right now I'm trying to visit a very popular place known here in Asaba, which is the Grand Hotel. It's been like almost like 15 years I've been there. Like, I normally go there during my teenage time, if I may say, you know, when I started living life, when I started like, you know, going out and all that kind of stuff teenagers do. So since then I haven't been to Grand Hotel. Grand Hotel is actually a resort, and yeah, it's a resort and a convention center, and also it's also a very popular location for the Nollywood industry in Nigeria. So actually I think I'm gonna take a quick visit to Grand Hotel, then after that we'll head into another location where we can find strict activities going on. But so guys, I'm going to look for a tricycle, which is popularly known here as a keke. Then I think keke is going to take me there. So guys, let's go. Around there. How much? Huh? Oh boy. So guys, right now I am at the Grand Hotel Convention Center and Resort Asaba. So let's go inside and see how this place looks like as of 2022. Well done. So guys, check out the acts on the wall. I always say this, acts on the wall. I love that. So I don't really know my way, so I think I'm gonna use, it's actually a very big resort, so I think I'm gonna use the samples: reception, business center, internet zone, presidential lodge, chalet, swimming pool, jetty bar and gym. So I think I'm going to go left. I'm going to use left. It's been a very long time. I think that was when I was still, I think last time I came here was when I was in let me just say 17 years old. Yeah, 16, 17 years old. Yeah, that was the last time I was here. You don't need to know about my current age now because I'm very, very old. I'm very, very old right now. So it's actually a very cool resort, a very nice resort. Like, I love it here. Then, even as of now, I'm still getting that serenity of Grand Hotel. The trees, you know, the vegetation and all that is cool. But while staying here, you can hardly know like you are in, you know, you are in Nigeria. Though there are more, you know, beautiful places than this place, you know, I'm just saying. Oh, okay. I think the last time I came here, these houses were still, you know, we are still being constructed. Some are yet some are completed already, so while some are still under construction. So from this Grand Hotel here, you can basically see the view of the Niger River, or properly called by Nigerians as River Niger. So that's it. Oh, some people are still here. It's actually a very cool place. A cool place to chill. A cool place to chill, whether during the rainy season or the hot season. Is a very cool place to chill because of its you know, conducive atmosphere. I think let me check out the swimming pool first, then from the swimming pool then we can go to other places, because it's been a very long time. Oh, the entrance is not here. So guys, we are live at the Grand Hotel and Resort. Oh, I'm kind of feeling like I'm getting a very old memory. Oh wow, I'm getting a very old memory from this place. Actually, guys, point of information, this was actually the pool I learned how to swim. Though I'm not that good in swimming, but at least I have a little idea on how to swim. It has like from 2 feet to 9 feet pool. Yeah, it's actually deeper. So I really enjoyed it back then. It's very big one. So people are still coming. How are you? How are they? So that's the 9 feet. Very deep.
9 feet.
Very deep. So guys, like, I don't know the kind of memory I'm getting from, you know, visiting this place again. Okay, oh, take a look at these chairs. That's the biggest chairs I've seen in my life. Then I don't know about now. I think it's still the biggest chairs I've seen in my life. Then, oh man, then it looks way more cleaner than this. Man, Nigeria, many things are killing Nigerians, industry, companies and all that kind of stuff. It's just lack of maintenance. They have a quality stuff, but to maintain it is very, very hard for them. I wish they can do better. Like then, this place was like a heaven. It was like a heaven for almost everybody in southeastern Nigeria then. So I have to go down. So that's the River Niger, or the Niger River down there. So I have to get down. Let's see what we can find. So guys, take a look at the view. It's a very beautiful view. It's a very beautiful place. So I want to be quick as possible just to leave this place. And the main purpose of the video of today is just to show you guys the uncensored and you know, raw footages or raw scenes in Asaba Street. So I'm not trying to be okay. Oh, where is the way out? Okay, I think the way out should be here. Oh man, there's a lack of no entrance, no way out. I have to go up again. So guys, I have to go up. There's no exits here. I have to go up. It's been a very long time. So there used to be a gym. I don't know whether the gym is still, still in function. There used to be a gym. So guys, I'll take a look at this view. So some people can now actually sit out here and do their stuff. And when you look far at the river there, you can see a lot of dredging boats, or you can call them dredging machine. I made a video about that. So when you check where, you can see, when you check where on my channel, you will see something like that, or a video on that. So there's a lot of dredging, boats in the river, extracting sand from the river. So that's the River Niger right here. It's actually, as you can see, it has a very marvelous river view, or ocean view, or water view, whichever one you can call it. So right now we're gonna move. You can see some people are here chilling. Some people here do their stuff, chilling under the tree. It's a very nice one. So that's a fisherman. You can see the nets fishing. So I'm going to go through the okay, I can see some bands for live performance. Yeah, it's actually a nice place. It's a different part of Lounge if you want to chill. How far, bro? So that's a nice one. So I have to go through this way. Oh, so you guys can testify of the the green stuff, the green plants, flowers and trees. There's some elephants. So if you're a fan of Nollywood, I believe we have seen a scene being acted, or a location like this in a Nollywood movies. Okay, if you have not seen, but this building I'm about to show you, there's been a lot of movies acted in this particular building, in front of this particular building. Most times as the Eboh Palace and all that kind of stuff. So I'm not gonna lie, actually it's getting old, it's getting dilapidated. Something has to be done. There is a lot of renovation needs to be done. And over there, that's the long tennis court. As you can see, there are some people playing. So they have like 3 standard lawn tennis courts. So cool. I think I'm done with Grand Hotel. Let's get back to our business, which is Asaba Uncensored and raw street scenes. So let's go, guys. So guys, we're about to leave Grand Hotel and Resort. Right now heading to another location, and let's see what we can find. So I have to go around Eboh site. That's actually where the most popular market is where located. Eboh, how much? So Eboh is actually where the popular market. Actually, the market is Eboh. So that's the most popular market here in Asaba. So let's go check it out and see the kind of activities that is going on there. I don't know, like if you have been watching my videos, most times you'll be seeing mosque, church. Actually, it's not like I'm too religious and all that kind of stuff. Just that there is this, you know, how do I put it? There is this a unique structure the mosque or the church has. That's why, like most times in my travel videos, I would normally like to include churches and mosques because of its, you know, unique structure and all that kind of stuff. So I think I'm gonna sit here just to take more footage of the street. So this is keke, the blue something you're seeing here, the tricycle. That's the keke, popularly known as the, you know, the easier means of very easy and cheaper means of transportation in Nigeria, not just in Asaba. It's very cheap, very affordable. So if you want to travel or if you want to go with me and other kind of stuff, so this is like an easy means for you to transport yourself from one location to a different one. So actually it's a popular, and also it's too many in every city you travel in Nigeria, as you can see right now. Video gi acho mi video na e choro ke develop obodo a e choro ke develop obodo na mba you need to go mmadụ ewe biko mba kwa try kwa na biko ndị gọọmenti eziokwu ka ikwu mana anyị agaghị agba egbe nke a sokwa kọfa anne ka ego n'afa gị onye ee afọ etoka ahụ enwere ọ dị anche ke me we fenji one thousand gini ni ne me oh gabo ya lo ga confirm. So basically guys, it's actually complaining about, you know, the the standard of living here in Nigeria as a whole. Like people are very, very angry because of the conditions of the economy of this country. So something needs to be done. So he's actually trying to go violent. So I'm trying to advise him, you know, the way to go is not violence. We have to like fight our way and make it peacefully as much as possible. So he's basically angry, that's it. So I have to like give him some money, you know, maybe for a lunch. It's what I have, it's what I give. Thank you, bro. Right now, I am in Eboh Market, Asaba. And that's the main building right here. But before I go in, I want to like cross the streets to show you guys some other activities going on here in Eboh area. So there is a lot of businesses here, if you can see. I'm going to go across, so there is a lot of businesses here. You know, people selling jewelries, phone accessories, clothes, home accessories, interior designs and all that kind of stuff. So I'm going to cross and show you guys. Do you have this pouch for this phone? Oppo K3. Madam, do you have the pouch of this phone, Oppo K3?
Oppo, no. Now,
Where can I get it?
go to Kowen.
Where can we do? Now for Asaba.
Cross. And that okay. 50 or 100 naira. It's not fine.
I'll tell them Kowe.
Kowen Plaza.
Thank you.
Beginning from now, down to 78 hours from now, that you raise $1 million in your father's house. If you ever can be like that, God will raise you as $1 million. In the name of Jesus. Thank you, Father.
So guys, I think I'm done from Eboh market. Right now I'll be heading to another location. Stadium.
They pay for 2 feet. They pay for 2 feet.
Wrong food.
No, it's not food. Give me 15 naira, man.
How are you?
Oh, you don't know, don't worry. You will hear one. Don't worry.
How much? 100. I will give me that 1,000. So basically guys, right now I'm at the KC Stadium. That's the name of the stadium in Asaba. Actually I've not been in this stadium before. I've not gone into the stadium and see how the stadium looks like. And today I'll be doing that with you guys. So guys, let's go inside and see how the stadium looks like. I hope it's very exciting. I hope it's of standard. So let's move. So let's climb up. Let's take the view from above. Let's see how it really looks like. My battery is about to exhaust, so I'm trying to be as fast as possible. So ladies and gentlemen, that's the Stephen KC Stadium. My first time here, and I believe for some of you guys this is your first time being very close to the stadium. So I think they're building something there, maybe for a concert or something. That's the stage. It's a very nice one. So guys, I'm impressed. I think I'm done from here. There's no time. I'm checking my time. There's no time, so we have to leave and head to another location. Let's move, guys. Opanam. Midwife. Drop one. Drop how much? No, that junction. No discount, no discount. If I did here and I forget where they go that side. Nice one. Let's chop. So currently guys, I am in Opanam Road in Asaba, and actually Midwife Market is actually a very popular place, very busy place, very busy area. So guys, the video has come to an end. I hope you guys have really enjoyed this one. You already know what to do. Hit the like button below, share with your family and friends. Yeah, most especially guys, please, if you really like this kind of content I'm showing you guys, I will appreciate you guys to share with your family and friends, share in all your social media handles. I will really appreciate that way. You know, you guys get to encourage me and also show some appreciation in your own way. That's what I'm doing is a very good thing. So I would really appreciate you guys to share this video as much as you can. And I will see you when next time I upload. Got it?